Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in this video we will be discussing TCS NQT advanced coding question, and this question has been asked on 19th of August 2022 and in slot 1. So in slot 1 this was the first question, and second question also I have uploaded, so please go through the playlist. The link I have given in the description box. So I will discuss all the coding questions that will be asked. So please subscribe to the channel and go through and try to solve maximum number of questions. At least try to get the logic. So if you are about to appear in NQT, so it is beneficial for you to try to solve maximum number of questions. Okay. Now see, this coding question will decide whether you will be selected for digital cadre or not. So if you are good in coding, or if you solve at least basically try to solve both the questions, so you will get the digital offer. So this was the coding question, and I will discuss with code and with explanation how to solve this. At least learn how to approach this. Okay. So this is the problem statement, and I have made it simple so that you will understand it easily. So let us see what it is asking. So the question is, two strings A and B are given. You have to convert string A to B. Okay. And basically you have to convert A to B means you have to make both of them equal. And now it is given that both A and B are of same length and both string are in lowercase. Okay. And then to make them equal, you have to do some operations. And the operation is, you have to choose a subset of character from A and replace all the character of that subset with the smallest character of that subset. So if you did not get this, I have made a beautiful diagram here in order to make you understand. So two strings will be given. So this is string A, this is string B, and both have same length. As you can see, it is also have 6 character, it is also have 6 character. Now what should be our operation? Now you have to make A and B equal, and initially you can see both are not equal. It is A, it is B, it is B, it is A. So you have to make them equal, and to do so you have to do some operations on A. You will not have to touch B. You have to just do some operations on A, and by repeating the operations you have to make this equal, or you have to convert A to B. And what is that operation? The operation is, you have to choose a subset. Now subset basically means any character that you want to choose in any order, not necessarily continuous. So if you want to choose first character, first, third, fifth, second, fourth, only third, only fifth, anything you can choose in any order. And after choosing it, so let us say I have chosen from A, I have chosen this A, this B, and this B. So this is my subset. A, B, B. This is my subset. So I have written this subset A, B, B. Now after choosing the subset, you have to replace all character of this subset with the smallest character of this subset. Now in this subset, what is smallest? So A is smallest. It means you have to make all the character of this subset as A. So you can see after conversion, it is already A. Now this B also become A. This B also converted to A. So you have to make everything A because A is smallest. Okay. So after the conversion, after operation 1, A will look something like this. A, C, A. Okay. So this was the operations you have to do. Choose any subset and make all the character of that subset, or replace all the character of that subset with the smallest. Okay, so this is the operation all about. Now you have to keep repeating the operation until both of them become equal. So this is question in short. Now how to do this? Apart from this, now what to print it? So you have to print how many operations you did. And if it is not possible to convert A to B, then return -1. So this is the question. So input will be something like this. This is one character A, this is string A, this is string B. Two string will be given, and you have to print how many operation you did. So in this case, after doing 2 operation, both become equal. Now see how to solve this. Sorry. Now to solve this, as I told you, it is a bit logical question. Sorry. So try to understand the logic. So how to solve this? So conclusion one I have made. You have to just listen to it. So conclusion one that we can deduce is, it is not possible to convert A to B if AI is less than BI. Now how we can say that? Now I've given one example. Now if I ask you to make A and B equal, it is not possible. Why? Because if you choose any subset, never A is going to become B. To make equal, we have to make each character equal. Now we have to make this A as B, which is not possible. Why? Because to make this equal, if you repeat the process, so you will first choose the subset, and in choosing the subset you have to include this also, because if you include this only, then only we can change this. No. So let us say I made a subset, this A and this B, this two element as my subset. Now what will happen? All will replace with the smallest. Now smallest is A, so this will also become A. So everything will become A, but A will never become B. Because the subset, what it is doing, it is reducing, it is making everything down. Because which is minimum, it make everything minimum. So let us say a subset is A, C, Z, anything is there. The moment you come in contact with A, everything will become A. So try to understand it. It is basically moving everything down. So how can it move up? So A will never become B. The moment you include A, which you have to in the subset, now apart from this A, anything you have, everything will become A, but A will never become B. I hope you got it. Now A will never become B, it means they will never become equal. But B can become A. If the question has been B, A and A, then B can become A. Suppose remove for this now. Now suppose the string has been just B, A and A. Now it is possible because we have to convert B to A. Now to convert B to A, we will include A. The moment you include A, this will also become A. So see how simple it is. To make this down, you have to join hand with a smaller character or whatever character it has. The moment you join hand with A, everything will become A. So to convert B to A, it is possible, but A to B it is not possible. Suppose there is Z and there is A. So to convert Z to A, it is possible. We will join hand with something A. The moment you make this subset, this Z will become also A. So I hope you got it. I make you understand in very simple manner. So this is the logic all about. If anything, if the character of A is smaller than character of B, it is no way possible to convert. Okay, so now see the code. We will learn code also. So this code is in Python, and I will upload the code in C++ also, and Java if you want. So but for now I have in Python. Okay, so now see the code. So in code, I hope all are aware. So this is the input I have taken A, this input I have taken B. So two input will be given. So I stored in A and B. Now I have taken the length of A and stored it in N. Now since A and B length is same, so either take length of A or B, both will be same. Now initialized answer to 0, and we will keep changing the answer. Now this is the for loop for the conclusion one. In the for loop I have written, if AI is less than BI anywhere, then answer will become 1. Answer equals to -1. Because it is not possible to convert. So this conclusion one I have coded. The moment anything is AI is less than BI means not possible. Answer will be -1. So this was the first case. Now after this, come to the general case. Now this second example is for general case. And in this case, as you can see, all AI is either greater than or equal to BI. So this is also equal, this is also greater than P, Z greater than R, P greater than C, Z equal to Z, R greater than P. So in this case, answer cannot be -1. Now see how to solve this. This is the main thing. Now in this case, now you have to listen carefully. So in this case, what I am doing, we are moving from Z. B are moving from Z and we will move up to A. Okay, from Z up to A, one by one we will move. And what we will do? At first we will start with Z and we will go through B. Is there Z anywhere? So this is not, this is not, this is Z. The moment you find Z here, we will check at the same index in A. Is it also Z? Because we have to make this equal. And we will check whether at the same index of A, is there Z also or not? If it is also Z, it means both are matching. So no need to do anything. Or if they are already equal, so why to do anything? So this way, for Z we have seen, now we will see for Y, and then so on up to A. Okay, so for that only, I have this for loop. Now this for loop, I hope you all are aware, it is just moving from or iterating from Z up to A. So this is ASCII value of Z, this is ASCII value of A, and we are moving in negative direction. So I hope these are the basic syntax. So one by one from Z up to A we will go. Now this for loop, what it will check? Now suppose initially we have started with Z. So we will go through all the elements of B. We will go through all the elements of B and we will check whether Z or is there or not. So same thing I have written. The moment we find that Vj is equal to Z, char I basically convert ASCII into character. So the moment we find that okay, B has some index which is equal to Z, then we will check whether A of that index also equal to Z or not. But the moment we get not equal, now that is the main point we have to see. Because the moment it is not equal, then only we have to make it equal. So we have this counter. Now this counter will increase. The moment we get any mismatch, this will increase. And after that, we will check the counter if there is mismatch or not. And if there is mismatch, then we will try to make it match. So this is the basic syntax. By looking to the example, you will understand more clearly. So we started with Z and we checked, okay, Z and Z equal. So no need to disturb it. Okay. For Z it is completed. Now we will start with Y. We will check whether there is Y or not. So in B there is no Y. No. Okay, so again we will come down and X also not there. Now the next higher we have is R. Okay, so next we have to look for R. So from Z we are coming down. So next higher is R. The moment we find R here, so now we are looking for this R. The moment we find R here, we have to check at the same index in A. Is it also R? So it is saying no, it is not R. Now we have to do the operation. Since this is not R, we have to make in any way, we have to make this Z as R. Now how to do this? Do you have any logic? Yeah, so I hope many of you must have got it. Now to make this Z as R, you have to make a subset such that it has R. Or you have to join hand with any character which is R. The moment you include that R in your subset, this Z will also become R. So let us say in my subset, initially I have Z, just Z. Okay, because I have this Z. In any way, I have to make this R. How to do this? So in that case, I will search for R in A. Anywhere we get R, I will include it in my subset. The moment you include it in your subset, now this will also become R. Because the rule it is saying, replace it with minimum and R will be minimum. Okay, so the logic is simple. The moment we find any mismatch, we will look whether this character R is there in A or not. If it is anywhere, we will include it in our subset. And the moment you include, this Z will also become R. So we have seen that okay, R is here in A. So we will include, so our new subset will be this one and this one. So these two will be our subset. The moment we include it in our subset, it also become R and they become equal. Okay, so see how simple it was. So same thing I have coded here. as I told you, this C is for mismatch. The moment we found that, okay, C is greater than 1, C is greater than 0, because C is 1, there is one mismatch. So we know that, okay, there is one mismatch. So we search for this character, which is R in this case, in A. A is basically this one. So we are searching for R in A. If we get, it means it is possible to make this equal. And if it is possible to make this equal, there is one operation completed, so we increase answer plus 1. So we search for that character in A. If it is present anywhere, we will increase our answer. And if it is not present, it means it is not able to convert. So answer will be minus 1. So we will check that case also. So see how simple it was. No more discussion. Okay. So now this R become equal. So cut this also. This Z also became equal. Now what we have to do? Now we have to, after R, next lower term is P. Okay. So next we have to search for this P. So P is here also and P is here also. So 2P is here. Now we have to make all this. We have to search whether the same index also is P or not. So we check that, okay, this is also mismatch and this is also mismatch. So what to do now? So as I told you, whenever there is mismatch, I have to search, is there P anywhere in this A or not? If there is P, we will just include that in our subset and all things will become P. So we are saying, okay, P is there or not? Yeah, there is one P. So this P I will include in my subset. So our subset will be R, P and R. The moment P has been included, it will also become P, it will also become P, and they will be equal. So see how simple it is. The moment you get a mismatch, you search for this character in A. If you get it, answer plus 1. If you do not get it, answer equals to minus 1. Okay, so P is here. So again we increased our answer. So now answer equals to 2. So 2 operation we have done up till now in order to make it equal. So up till now answer is 2. But let us see further. Now after this operation, this will become P. This will also become P. Okay. Now come down. Now we will see next higher is C. And it is not equal. It is C, it is P. So to make it equal, I hope you got it. To make it equal, we have to search C in A. If you get anywhere C, we will include in our subset. But now there is main problem. Now there is no C in this A. As you can see, this is P, this is R, because it has been converted. This is what it was. Sorry, not visible. It was also a different thing. Yeah, it was R, and then it is P, it is Z, it is P. So C is nowhere in A. Now C is nowhere in A. It means we cannot convert this P to C. And if we are not able to convert any character, it means answer will be minus 1. So the same thing I have written. So in this case, else block will be done. Because we will search this C in A and we will not find. So if we will not find, answer will be minus 1. And the moment answer is minus 1, we will break it. Because no need to go further. Answer is already minus 1. So I hope this was all about. And finally we printed our answer. So see, this was the code all about. So see, if still you did not get, try to watch it again. I have tried my best to make you understand. And please pay attention, go through it again. And it was just very simple. Okay. So let me try to run few test cases. So let us try with our own test case. Suppose A, B, A, B, A. A, B, A. Sorry. A, B, A. B, A. Yeah. We can see we got minus 1. Now try this test case. Okay, so this is not visible. So try any random one. So let us say, let us make all equal. Then we will see what it comes. Sorry. Yeah, we can see it is 0 because they are already equal. Try some more. So make one difference. So A, B, A. You can see it is 1 because there is one difference, and we will make it equal in using one iteration. So there is answer is 1. So in this way you can try it yourself. This is the code, and I hope all lines I have make you understand. So this answer equals to 1, I missed it. So answer equals to 1, basically why I have written, because if answer equals to 0, answer equals to -1 we got, then answer will be -1. But if answer is 0, then only we have to move forward. Okay, so suppose after this line we got that answer is -1. So why to move forward? It is not possible means not possible. So that's why I have written answer equals to 0, then only move forward. So I hope this was all about, and if you want I can make a recap. Okay, so this is final recap. Let us try to see. So we will take some easy test cases. So A, B, A. Now if you have any doubt you will become clear in it, but I hope all of you must have understood. So this was the question. Now suppose there is A and B. So what I told you, start from Z. No, first we have to check whether all AI is greater than equal to BI or not. So this is greater, this is equal, this is equal, this is greater than A. So conclusion 1 but was not there. So let us see the general case. So we will start with Z. Z is not there, Y not there, anything not there, A is there. So we will check, okay, A is there. So we will start from here. There is match, no need to do anything. B come here, there is match, no need to do anything. B came here, there is mismatch. So this is A, this is B. Now this B, the moment you get a mismatch, you have to make a subset having this A. You have to make such a subset which has A. The moment you will make any subset having A, this B will become A. So let us say I make a subset AB. Now the moment you make this subset, this B will become A and all things will become equal. So the operation will be 1. So same thing I have done it here. I have started from Z, moved up to A, and each one by one I checked whether if there is a mismatch. If there is a mismatch, try to find this character in A. Because if you will find this character in A, I will include this in my subset and this will also become A. Now suppose this has been Z. So there is mismatch. Now we have to include a character A. So we have to just search, is there A anywhere in A? Now the moment you will find A, it means we know that it can be converted into A. So this was all logic all about. And I hope you got it. If still you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to, in any part of the code, if you have any doubt, you can write it. And try to subscribe the channel, and try to solve maximum number of questions. And I will upload all the questions of aptitude also, logical reasoning also, coding also, everything I will discuss in this channel. So this is all from my side, and thank you guys, take care.